update from advisory desk. The Indian equities were marginally down as investors were looking to book profits after 5 days of gain. However, the losses were capped as after Moody's, another rating agency, Fitch has upgraded the outlook for India to stable. Because of this, the losses were capped. The more interesting thing is that industrial body FICCI has also said, because of upgrades in rating and positive and stable outlook by international rating agencies like Moody's and Fitch, India would able to get more. It would boost investment sentiments and will help India to attract more funds going ahead. And markets at the Fitch has also upgraded the GDP guidance for India to 8% for the current year and 8.3% for the next year. Sensex at this point in time is trading 50 points down at 28,836 level, while Nifty is trading 26 points down at 8760 low after it touched an intraday low of 8740 on spot basis. What we are seeing that there is some outperformance in mid cap and small cap segment. Mid cap index is up 0.4% at this point in time. However, small cap index is up 0.5% at this time. We are seeing buying interest in ICRA, Century Textile and V-Guard, which are up 7.5% to 8%, which are supporting the BSE small cap index, and BSE small cap index is up 17.6 is up, and we are seeing some buying action in Sagar Cement, which is up 17% at this point in time. On sectoral indices front, the BSE Realty Index is up 0.8% at this point in time. We are seeing some buying interest in counters like Anantraj, Sobha Developers, Indiawood Real Estate and Oberoi Realty. These counters are up in the range of 2 to 5% at this point in time. Another sectoral index which is up in today's trade is BSE Consumer Durable Index. It is up 0.7% at this point in time. We are seeing buying interest in counters like PC Jewelers, Whirlpool, Titan and Symphony Limited. Another sectoral indices which is up at this point in time is the BSE Power Index, which is up 0.7% at this point in time. We are seeing some buying interest in counters like Reliance Infra, R Power, GMR Infra, Adani, Tata Power and PTC. Because of all these 5 to 6 counters, we are seeing this index is up smartly 0.7% at this point in time. Oil and gas index is also up 0.4% at this point in time. We are seeing all the components of oil and gas index are in green, apart from HPCL, which is marginally down, but however the gains in the larger counters are less than 0.5% in terms of Oil India, Reliance. They are up, but they are marginally up, less than 0.5% at this point in time. What we are seeing, the BSE Pharma Index is witnessing some selling pressure at this point in time, largely led by counters like Cadila, Lupin and Cipla. Also Sun Pharma, which is down approximately 1 to 2% at this point in time. We are also seeing some selling interest in Sun Pharma, which is down 0.7% at this point in time. BSE Bankex Index is trading flat at this point in time. We are seeing some PSU heavyweights are up, like SBI, Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, Bank of India. They are up and supporting the Bankex Index. However, HDFC, private sector banks like HDFC, Axis Bank, they are negatively contributing and leading to a flattish trend in Bank Nifty at this point in time. Capital Goods Index and FMCG Index are trading flat at this point in time. What we are seeing in today's trade, all the rating agency stocks are in action. ICRA is up 1%. However, CRISIL and CARE is up 1% at this point in time. However, CRISIL and CARE are up more than 7 to 8% at this point in time. So clearly, rating agencies stocks are in action today. Apart from that, we are seeing that ADAG group companies are in action today. We are seeing buying interest in Reliance Infra, which is up 5% at this point in time. R Power is 6% up at this point in time, and RCOM is 15% up at this point in time. So clearly, ADAG stocks are clear winners in today's trade. Currency at this point in time is trading at 62.3775, a depreciation of 13.75 paise versus rupee. Friends, that's all from advisory desk. We'll keep you updates, providing you more updates in the post-market session. Have a wonderful trading session ahead.